In this video, we are going to learn about the Microsoft Word layout. And once you open a blank Word document, this is how it usually looks like. And here in this Word document, we can see home, insert, draw, design. These here are the tabs. They are called tabs. And once you click on a tab, it opens the tab ribbon. For example, when we click the insert tab, we see the insert ribbon comes up, and in each ribbon there are different groups. For example, in the insert ribbon, we have the first group of pages, the second one contains tables, the third illustrations, and so on and so forth. If we go back to the home tab, we also see the different groups in the home ribbon. We have the clipboard, the font, the paragraph, the styles, and so on and so forth. And in each group, we have different options and features. And as you can see, the features, we also have this arrow down here, and when you click on this arrow, it opens up a dialog box launcher. They are also called the launch buttons, and we see that here we have many more options. This is because there is not enough space to hold all the options in each of the ribbons, and that's why we have a dialog launcher. And when you're done selecting maybe some of the things you'd like to change, you just click OK. And then in a Microsoft Word layout, we have the title bar. You can see here, this is the title bar, and the document is saved as document 1 to the PC. We also have the close bar here. When you want to exit the page, you use this bar here. It is indicated with a letter X. And again, we also have the scroll bar here. As you can see, when I move down or up, you can scroll through the document. Yes, and this is the vertical scroll bar, as you can see. And again, we have the zoom slider down here. This is the zoom slider, and as you can see, when I point on it, it gives the word zoom. On the zoom slider, when I drag to the right, it zooms the document in, and when I drag to the left like this, it zooms the document out. And here we have the different views. This is the web layout view. Let's say you want to see how the document will come out when you publish it on web. This is the web layout. Then we have the print layout. This is the most common used when someone is typing. This is the print layout, and also this is the read mode. When you just want to read through the document, you click on the read mode and you can read. And then here we have the focus mode. It blocks distractions, and as we can see, when you click on the focus mode, this is how the document looks like. There are no distractions. You just use your Microsoft Word document, and if you want to return it to how it looked like, you just press the escape key on the keyboard. And then we also have the search bar up here. This search bar helps you to look for other Microsoft Word features and options, and for help topics. Yes, and these are the most important things to know for a start, and these are the most common layout features, and we will continue learning more on Microsoft Word, so stay tuned.